Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Deepak Kumar, co-founder of Trade Achievers. In this video, we are going to look about the preview and review of the market.
So, guys, as we usually start, let's start with our Nifty. If we take a look at Nifty, as we previously said, the Nifty has came inside the channel again. So, it is forming a support level here. So, let's wait and see for the confirmation. After the market has given us the proper confirmation, we can go for buy or sell in Nifty. So, this is a waiting period. Unexpected has happened. So, let's wait for sometimes after the market has given us the confirmation we can go for buy or sell in Nifty. So this is for Nifty, and for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also is coming down, as we previously said. It may have the high potential to reach the previous low, which is around 33,980. We'll see how the market is going to react after the market has reached that level. So wait for this level, which is around 33,918. So this is for Bank Nifty. And if you take a look at gold, as I yesterday said, gold has given us the retracement around 0.5%. As you can see here, it has given us the retracement around this level 50%, and it has given a huge upwards movement. It has traveled around $25 from there. So gold has given us a huge movement upwards. Gold is still in uptrend. If you already bought, you can just wait for it. No problem. Just note this in mind. A correction here and there will happen. No problem. Don't worry. Just if you have bought the gold, just go strong buy. After the trend reversal is confirmed, we can close the gold. You can sell the gold. If the trend reversal comes, we will inform you in our coming review and preview shows. So don't worry. So alright guys, this is your review and preview for today. Thank you.
So these are the patterns that is forming in the market. Let's wait and see how the market is going to perform. I hope this video was useful to you. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.